Thank you, thank you.
Through MPSC, she got a supervisor. Unfortunately, after she was serving for 1 year or 2 years, 4 years.
Actually, he's very clarity.
Very good memory. After she served for 4 years, she went to Metro Hospital. She spent many years there, and since she became senior citizens, the women have kindness. We could not pay his allowance, that's why he stopped coming. Suguria. Suguria. Hotels. And this uncle can speak English.
Very good, very good.
Uncle,
Wait.
he's our honorable governor. Please talk to him. He
Please
was
sit down, please sit
retired
down, please
teacher.
sit down, please sit down.
You can sit down and talk.
Please sit down, please sit down. What's your good name? नाम क्या है? आप कितने दिन? I mean, how long you were here?
2 years.
2 years. अच्छा. Good. You are happy here?
Yeah.
हाँ? ठीक है.
Governor of Nagaland, he funded the construction of this rain harvest water reservoir. Actually, this was a blessing to us because the PHE pipeline is not connecting to this area, even electricity department also. And so we were facing a great problem because of scarcity of water. The police department, the home guard department used to supply us by their water tanker once in a month. But during rainy seasons, we harvest rainwater, and so without water reservoir, it was not sufficient. So this time we approached the Honorable Governor to construct the water tank, and thankfully he accepted our request and donated 2.5, but he also promised that he will give another 3 lakhs. We spent more than 5 lakhs, but today the governor has announced that he will contribute 3 lakhs more. So I think that will cover the expenditure of the construction of this water reservoir. And this senior citizen is already 8 years now, and we are catering around 23 senior citizens in our home from different districts of the state, including Nepali, who are the citizens of Korea.